I'm unboxing the Hoco digital earphones. This would be my first 8-pin Lightning Port earphones designed specially for the new iPhone 7. Of course, the iPhone 7 hasn't been released yet, but it works with other iOS devices with an 8-pin Lightning port as well. Frequency response is 20 Hz to 20 kHz with a 110 dB sensitivity. No music navigation but has an inline volume control. There is no microphone, which makes this more for listening music rather than making calls. I actually tried to make a call and it will not work at all. The audio quality is fine, no booming bass, but definitely it is there. Because this is an in-ear earphones, you have to make sure they are sitting well in your ears. Unfortunately, this doesn't fit snugly into my ears and there are no extra earbuds included to choose from to find my size. Overall, I would rate this at a passing grade of 6 out of 10.